What's up you all, welcome back to the channel. Polygon is creating another bullish pattern and it is going to hit all-time high based on the pattern, based on the data and the volume that I have been seeing. Precisely before 3 or 4 days I called out when Polygon was $1.72 that Polygon can hit, Matic token can hit all-time high, and here we are building the pattern. And right now if you think about the fear and greed index, we are at 27, so we are still in fear at the moment. We were in extreme fear for last few days. As you see, we were at 25 and 21, but the last month was neutral, 49. We are still not out of this fear zone, and Polygon has made and showed us this bullish pattern. Take a look. If you take a look, the volume has been rising up, and if you take a look at for last 24 hours, the volume is up by really massive 36%. With 2.3 billion. The price change is almost 11%, up to $2.34. All-time high for Polygon was $2.68 before a few weeks, before a couple of months, and we have seen the Polygon rate of return 51,806%. Anyone who invested money in Matic Polygon token in 2021, Polygon went from 18 cents to all the way to $2.35 at the moment, which is more than 13,000% gain. So watch the full video, click the like button, be sure to hit the like button, doesn't really cost you anything. We want to share this news with more and more people, and also subscribe to my channel so you don't miss out on constant updates on Polygon and some of the massive catalysts that are coming up for Polygon. So let's take a look what Polygon is up to and how it is trading. If you remember, we talked about the large cap cryptocurrencies where Bitcoin is heading close to 49,000, which is 5.70% up, followed by Ether 4.91% up. Ether is also about $4,000. If you think about Polygon, it is overperforming the rest of the crypto market, cryptocurrencies and tokens. It is up 11% and it is up 27% in last 7 days. We spoke when it was $1.72. Since then, Polygon has made a high and we earned 42 to 43% return. That's why you want to click on that like button and subscribe to my channel so you don't miss out on some of this analysis and some of this catalyst that is coming up for Polygon. Now, if you take a look, Polygon is making higher and higher highs. Now, when it makes higher highs, you want to find out the breakout region as to where it can hit as the next high. This could be an exception when Polygon hit $2.68 and it did not really fit into the chart. But if you draw a straight line and Fibonacci, I don't have my brokerage account, but this is the Binance chart that I created for you and wanted to show you all that in February, it started in March, it started with another high, followed by May, August and October and November. As you see, we made higher highs, and if this trend continues, which it looks like it is going to continue, we are all set to hit $2.80. Once again, it's all-time high, and we are once again not out of this fear and greed index region. If this fear goes to, this gauge goes to 49, which is once again neutral, around 50, which is neutral as well, at that point, there will be fear of missing out. And with this FOMO, more and more people will start buying many other cryptocurrencies. And in my opinion, Polygon will overperform many other large cap crypto coins and cryptocurrencies. Why? Because of a couple of reasons. But before I go there, I just wanted to share this chart with you with the moving average. If you take a look, the moving average for Polygon at the moment is $1.90, whereas it is trading at $2.35. For the most of the time, if you take a look for last couple of months, a Polygon only went down the moving average just once, and for the rest of the time, it was about the moving average. In other words, the current price was about the moving average. That is bringing this wave into the positive direction, which is a very bullish sign. If you take a look at the RSI is nothing but the relative strength index, very similar to what we see in stocks, which is 60, which is, in my opinion, not an overbought, not an oversold condition, which will help Polygon to move into positive region from what we are seeing at the moment. For 5-day, though, if you take a look, it has been making higher highs and it made a low and it is ready for the run for the next bull run. And this bullish pattern is very similar in terms of the RSI to 65, not an oversold, not an overbought condition, which is once again makes Polygon a healthy price with 10.70% spike as you see, whereas Bitcoin is up 4.67%, Ether is up 5.84%, and Polygon being one of the bigger cryptocurrency with $15 billion of market cap, it is moving up even higher. It is right now, the current market cap is $16.7 billion with fully diluted market cap of $23.5 billion. Now, one thing that you want to remember for Polygon is their circulation supply is limited, 7.09 billion Matic with the max supply of 10 billion. Now, another thing that we already talked about, that you can also do staking and earned return as a passive income on Polygon Matic token, and that return could be up to 12.24% as an absolute reward. Now, when you think about absolute reward, 12%, and if the Polygon price goes even higher, all-time high, you're looking at all the return in Polygon multiplied by the rest of the appreciation into the Matic token price. So in other words, if you earn 12% on your Polygon tokens, but if the Polygon price goes to $3 as an example, as you see, which it is going to hit $3 very, very soon based on what we see in the current chart, current RSI, moving average, so on and so forth, your return is multiplied by that multiplier as to where Polygon is going. One thing you also want to remember, that Polygon has become deflationary token at the moment, and we are expecting around 0.27% of Matic will be burned by the algorithm or by the launch EIP 1559. The upgrade was done on December 14th for the Mumbai testnet, and Ethereum improvement to burn this particular basic fee EIP 1559 that was brought the Ether burning mechanism within the chain, blockchain, whereas the base transaction fees is going to be burned, and that will save up about 0.27% of Polygon from being into the circulation supply, which means it will be deflationary token. We will be able to see, because it's at the end of the day, it's demand versus supply. So if the supply goes lower but the demand goes higher, that means the token price will go higher and higher. Matic is no longer speculation investment. It's now a deflationary currency in its own, which is rapidly growing DeFi ecosystem, and we are going to see a massive supply shock that will drive up the price over the coming month based on some of the buzz going around in the community. Their community has been growing as well. EIP 1559 got a ton of traction. Not only that, we also found out that with the 10 billion token, if we burn 0.27, and right now in the circulation is 7 billion, so it will be cumulative effect of burning or the supply that is available within the marketplace. One thing that you also want to remember is Polygon is a protocol and a framework that is building and connecting Ethereum compatible blockchain network. So if you want to hedge out against Ethereum, Polygon is one of your best bet. They are also doing tie-up with Ernst & Young, and they're co-developing Ethereum scaling solution for enterprises and launch Polygon Nightfall. They also rolled up, or they bought this Mir protocol, Mir technology protocol with $400 million, which is a ZK proof protocol, which got a ton of traction into the market as well. One last thing I want to leave you with is the staking possibility on the Sand Matic token. So you can now stake Polygon on the Sandbox platform as well. One thing that you also want to remember is the price varies based on how much staking return you can get. So do your own due diligence and research. This is not a financial advice. Last but not the least, the Polygon Swap token is available within the Polygon wallet. It's just by a couple of clicks you can swap the tokens, as the example shows, from Ether to Matic, and then you can just verify and then you confirm, and then you already converted your internally tokens from Polygon to any other token and vice versa, which is once again a pretty bullish sign that people will not go out of their Polygon wallet. All in all, I just wanted to say that Polygon is building a very huge bullish pattern with what we see at the moment. The RSI looks pretty healthy. The moving average looks pretty healthy as well. I just wanted to share this information with you. Hit that like button, subscribe to my channel. I'll see you in the next video.